Coca leaves are being used for thousands of years by the natives in South America. Now they knew that when you chewed the coca leaves, your tongue and mouth would go numb. In the 1860s, cocaine was first refined from the coca leaves. Now cocaine at the time was the drug of choice in dentistry and in general surgery for a local anaesthetic. But unfortunately, it came with a lot of side effects, toxic effects, and it was very addictive. So a synthetic version was discovered in 1946, known as lidocaine or lignocaine. Now, as you'll know, it has the last suffix, the same suffix of cane. This is because all local anaesthetics that come from this family, it comes from cocaine because it was the first local anaesthetics ever used. But how does it work? All right, so when we look in this example of a tooth, if we've got a crack in the tooth or a hole in the tooth, it's going to generate pain. The way it does this is because it's innervated by nerve fibers that send pain signals, and the pain signals are carried by little bits of electrical impulses, which we call action potentials. The way that this works is inside the nerves are what we call sodium channels, and these sodium channels open up and then sodium rushes into the nerve, making the inside of the nerve more positive because it's a positively charged ion. And that positivity sends the action potential all the way up to the brain, which tells your brain that's pain. So when we use lidocaine or lignocaine, we inject it into the local area because it only works locally and it blocks those sodium channels. So that means no sodium can go in, the nerve doesn't become positive, therefore no action potential, no pain signal, no pain. So today, lignocaine or lidocaine is used heavily in dentistry for teeth extraction or root canals, or in general surgery for things like biopsies or applying stitches, or even in cardiology for ventricular arrhythmias. So the next time you're at the dentist and they give you a local, think back to the history of the South American coca leaf.